Hello and welcome to the eDoc Builder training series. In this lesson, we will cover the Response Sets tab. We will begin by logging into eDoc Builder. From the Templates page, click the pencil icon to edit on the template you want. Next, click Response Sets tab. Please note that response sets are not available for use in Interactive Designer templates. Response sets allow you to create a predefined set of responses for field entries that are common to a specific theme, location, or category. For example, business cards for a corporate branch office in Chicago may have a common set of field entries for address, main phone, and fax number, while the Los Angeles office will have a different set of entries. These sets may be defined by their common attribute, the branch office, city, and created as a response set to simplify data entry. When your user chooses one of the response sets, any information that you have predefined in this area will be filled in to the template. Please note, response sets do not support rich text fields, so any text with formatting added or pasted into a text field when creating the response set will not display with that formatting on the template. Using response sets from other template. Use an already created response set from another template without recreating it. First, set up the response sets in one template. Make sure you commit changes when you are done. In your subsequent templates master PDFs, give any field that should use response sets the same name as they have in the original templates master PDF. In the response sets page of the subsequent templates, select the first template's name from the Other Templates drop-down menu in the Use Response Sets from Other Templates area. Then click Use. Then click Commit Changes when you are finished. Creating response sets. The response sets window contains a field titled New Response Set. Response set names are what will be displayed in a drop-down menu for your user to select. Type in the name of the dataset that you want to create and click the Add button. Use the response set field prompt box to enter text that will display to your customers, prompting them to select a response set. For example, select your region. Click Save after you have entered your text. After your response sets have been created, enter any data that you want to be pre-filled once a user selects this response set. If you do not want a field to be pre-filled, uncheck the box next to it to exclude it from the response set. You can also quickly check and uncheck all fields on a single response set by clicking the Check All or Uncheck All buttons. The field checkboxes are independent from response set to response set. For example, if you wanted a fax number pre-filled for the Chicago office but not for the Los Angeles office, you would uncheck the box next to the fax field for the Los Angeles response set. As long as the Chicago response set still had a checkbox next to the fax field, it would be pre-filled, while the Los Angeles fax field would not. Click the Save button associated with each response set after making entries, then repeat the procedure if you need more response sets. When you have completed entering and saving all the response sets, you need to click Commit Changes. Importing response sets from Excel. You can also import your response sets in the case that you have a large number to add. First, you need to select the Export to Excel option. This will build an Excel file that uses your template's unique fields. This template will follow the same prompts you will see when you create a response set manually. Complete the fields necessary and then import. You can choose to add to the response sets already added to the template or replace all response sets by either checking or unchecking the box Replace all existing response sets. Please note that do not delete any columns in this file. There is a column named Included Fields in the exported Excel file. In this column, you need to type the name of the fields you want to mark as checked of each response set, separated by commas. If you delete this column or leave it blank, the system will not mark any field at all. All the other columns will follow the fields you have on your template, and if you want that field to have specific information added when the end user chooses that response set, then enter that information in that cell. To edit an existing response set, make any changes you need, then click Save for that response set. Click Commit Changes when you are finished. To delete a response set, select it from the Delete Response Set drop-down menu. Then click Delete. Click Commit Changes when you are finished. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.